You guys saw me in my kitchen, and look what I got. I think this is fridge. Chimichanga orange bag. Okay, so it's Tuesday. Gotta cook this extra breakfast. 300 calories. So I hope you guys enjoy. And I'm still gonna record. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And I'm playing 2K17 NBA. So yesterday I was playing with Omar. We bet for 50 cents. He won. I was using the East All-Stars. I still lost. And this time we're gonna do it when he comes back. But this video is not about that. It's about the beginning of this video, but not about that. So hope you guys enjoy this video right now, and yeah, just like, comment, and subscribe. See if we could get to 61 subscribers. If you guys like the videos that I'm doing or not, then just tell me what you want to see, and I won't do it. So see. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. The sneeze challenge. It's where you have to try to sneeze with your eyes open, and if you do that, you're really you are yourself. So I'm gonna do that after I play 2 NBA. So hope you guys are enjoying the video right now. Even though I ate chimichanga orange bag and I did not show you guys, but still I ate it for breakfast and that counts. Okay, switch it to 2K because I don't have to say we go away. Oh no, don't let him wide open because he's so good. He's on his pivot foot and no, he won't. Oh, I thought he got that. Curry, let's go. Oh, I almost thought we got the boundary. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't let him shoot. Klay Thompson, yes, go against Porter. No, Durant, Curry on John Wall, Hey, don't screen me. Don't you let them shoot. Okay, Curry, you gotta break ankles. Oh, cross the pass it to Iguodala. Oh, they just tipped it. See if Iguodala can hit this. Oh, hit that two! Is it recording? Oh crap, it's recording my ugly face. It's okay. Curry wide open. Oh damn, he still missed. I come so close to get some points, but it's already time for the year to end. No copyright, okay? Don't copyright me. Klay Thompson. Hit that two. Deep two. Oh, yeah. That's a deep two right there. I mean a deep one. Durant hasn't scored yet. So hasn't Iguodala or... Oh, Durant. Oh, Durant. Oh, he splashed it. Okay, so how am I gonna do this is I'm just gonna, I got a piece of rabbit poop. I'm just kidding. It's a little black peppercorn, and I'm gonna crush it with my multi-tool. So wait, then I'm gonna sniff it to see if I can sneeze. Did I lose it? I lost it. I can try to find it, but see what we can do. Ah! Joking. Where's the black pepper? on. Is Omar on? He better be on. Huh? He's not on. So I hope you guys enjoy this sneeze challenge fail and share with the others if you enjoy it. And tomorrow I'm making a video about how to be